everyone, it's Leanie. Welcome back to another video. Today we are reacting to another what if video. What would dying on every moon be like? This is similar to the what would dying on every planet be like. Make sure to go show what if some love and let's get right into it.
Scattered throughout our solar system by hundreds of moons,
smashed between two rocks,
fitted with unique dangers and threats. And today, Chase will be visiting some of the most treacherous of these worlds to find out the worst each moon has to offer.
Let's do it.
You guys are like fully sadistic. You know that, right?
Yes. Okay. What is all this stuff that's happening? Okay, Titan. One of Saturn's
with the
moons.
most bizarre moon in our entire solar system. Saturn's colossal moon, Titan. Its freezing temperatures and thick atmosphere make for a very,
but it kind of looks warm
perilous
due
journey.
to the color. What's gonna happen on Titan? Cool looking spaceship.
This is the only moon with a thick atmosphere.
Okay.
The atmospheric pressure is 1.5 times greater than what you experience on Earth.
Huh.
Can't smell anything. I'm in a spacesuit.
Yeah.
That's like constantly being 15 meters or 50 feet below the ocean.
Oh.
Only 15 meters? Like, I mean,
no,
for sure
I
that's
feel
not
like
comfortable,
pressure,
but
right?
like, that's fine. I'm fine. You'd be fine.
Well, that's not the dangerous part. Titan's atmosphere is 95% nitrogen and 5% methane, which means any exposure to oxygen and the smallest hint of a spark will result in a catastrophic explosion.
Yeah.
Great, then I'll just keep my oxygen tanks nice and close, and we'll not have any problems.
Yeah, be careful.
Titan is the only other body in the solar system that has liquid lakes on its surface.
Oh, liquid lakes.
It also has a weather cycle similar to Earth's, but instead of water, it's methane.
Oh, shoot.
The temperature on this moon
Crazy.
is so cold that liquid methane rains down and forms these lakes.
Surface temperature reading at minus 179.15 degrees Celsius.
Negative
Rise and grind, Chase heads.
290
Time for the cold
degrees
plunge.
Fahrenheit. No, we're not doing no cold plunge. This guy. It's just raining liquid nitrogen right now. Is he really about to jump in there? What?
Liquid methane is about half the density of water, so if you get in, well,
you're
never
in.
getting out. Chase literally sank so fast that he didn't
I don't
even
like
cause a
stuff like that.
splash.
I feel like I can't
in case you
breathe
feel
watching
bad that
stuff
he's
like
drowning,
this.
There's really no need to worry. In the Titan lakes, you wouldn't die of drowning. You'd die of instant freezing. The liquid methane is about minus 180 degrees Celsius.
So you just freeze
so cold
to death?
that your lungs and your entire body would freeze within seconds.
Oh my goodness.
I just drowned. I just need a little extra. Okay, Chase just needs a little
Why
extra.
would you jump into a freaking lake of nitrogen? What's he getting?
Looks like Chase forgot about the oxygen and methane thing.
Yeah, what was
I
that?
didn't warn him.
Come on, Chase.
Well, Titan is a fun rock. My favorite moon in the entire solar system. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Only taking off 1 point because it killed Chase.
Twice.
Yeah, but who's counting?
You are, we are. Enceladus. This is from Saturn's moons. Okay. Looks cold.
While we're around Saturn, let's check out another one of its treacherously icy moons, Enceladus.
It's icy. Okay, I was gonna say it looks cold. Looks
You know what
frozen.
Saturn is missing? Low key? Like the tropics. Let's get a palm tree around here, like a pina colada.
Oh?
Just something to take the edge off. This place is harsh.
Yeah, you tell Saturn to start working on that. Enceladus is even colder than Titan at a temperature of minus 201 degrees Celsius. But
Negative
this moon is
330 degrees
tiny.
Fahrenheit.
Titan, the moon Chase just died on, is larger than Earth's moon and even larger than Mercury.
Oh, wow.
Enceladus is only 504 kilometers in diameter. That's 315 miles. 10 times smaller than Titan.
Oh, it's a small
so cute.
one.
Well, its small size means it's incredibly vulnerable to the gravitational forces of the massive solar bodies around it. That means that Enceladus's geological activity is violent and intense.
Okay.
Classic
Probably
Peter.
unpredictable,
Always
too.
making the little guy seem evil and malevolent.
Malevolent.
Malevolent. Whatever.
There's like geysers. I doubt that's water, though. What's he gonna get into here?
Gravity reading 0.113 meters per second squared.
That's like 100 times less than Earth.
Oh. That seems fun. Bouncing around all weightless. Is he going right towards that?
Enceladus is so small that any seismic activity is felt everywhere on this
all
moon.
over it. Okay.
These movements are so powerful that entire chunks of ice tear right off and fly out into space.
Oh, I'd be sick. Oh, I
Or
would move.
trigger moonquakes so powerful that they bury our brave space explorer, leaving
got
his
crushed
body
under
to
rock.
be taken by the ice.
I survived that.
Ice rock.
Take that, Peter.
Those his legs.
Whose legs are those?
Yours.
Oh man. Help.
What is happening? Is he freezing?
Underneath all that ice, or
Yikes.
where Chase's body was just buried, is a hidden ocean.
Oh. Underneath the
Rico,
surface?
how thick is this ice shell here?
In the South Polar region, the ice shell is about 1.194 kilometers.
Yo, that's easy work.
That's almost half a
I'll find the
mile.
ocean down
That's
here in
more
no
than half a
time.
mile, actually.
Wait, we are at the South Pole, right? Okay, good.
This is gonna take a while.
Ah, my handies.
He's still going at it. Is he still going? Or is he done? Oh my gosh. Thank goodness for the time lapse. We were gonna be there all day. Think we hit water. If that's even water.
Enceladus is constantly shooting ice into Saturn's E-ring from cracks in the moon's crust and geyser-like jets. But closer to the surface, these eruptions also contain a lot of gas, full of chemical compounds buried deep in the core. And just like the volcanoes on Earth, these emissions are completely toxic. We're talking methane, nitrogen gas, and carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
And if that doesn't get you, scientists have also discovered hydrogen cyanide. Yeah, you heard me right.
Cyanide?
Cyanide. That little pill that spies take to die and avoid interrogation?
Foam at the mouth?
Now, while hydrogen cyanide is a good indicator that the moon contains all the chemicals needed to create life, it's a pretty bad indicator of life when it's been shot straight into your face.
Staining life? Oh no.
With a blast of hydrogen cyanide like that, you're dead within a minute. Respiratory failure, seizure,
Horrible.
dead.
Horrible death. Horrible death. That one was rough.
That was cool.
No.
Too bad Chase died before getting to the underground ocean. I'll give this moon 4 out of 10.
Mimas. Another one of Saturn's moons. Did I say that right? Mimas?
Saturn has so many moons that it would be impossible to die on all of them. But there is one more we should visit.
What? We? Do not act like you are also dying on all of these planets, Peter. It is me, and just me.
Okay,
Fair
Chase,
enough.
you need to
Rico,
visit
get me a
one more.
mimosa.
The last of Saturn's moons that Chase will die on is Mimas, a
Mimas.
real-life Death Star.
Dang. A real life Death Star. It looked like it. See that big crater on it? Or that
Oh man, I am
dent?
into
I don't
this.
know what it was.
This is like Comic-Con.
Mimas is home to the Herschel crater.
What is a
giant
crater?
impact crater that defaces 1/3 of the entire moon.
Holy,
it's
it's
130
huge.
kilometers across and
80
10
miles.
kilometers deep.
And 6 miles deep.
Oh man, I have got to see that up close. Punch it, Rico.
Let's go. I wonder what hit it and made it such a massive crater. Another moon, maybe? A smaller moon? Are we in it? I'm like looking for it, but maybe we're in it.
No,
Oh.
Obi-Wan. You are my father.
Something's telling me he hasn't actually seen the movies.
Yeah.
Yes, let the hate flow through you.
Well, Mimas
Oh.
has a gravity of only 0.044 meters per second squared. So, with the depth of that crater, he'll be falling for about
Okay. We've fallen for a minute. I think I would
9
just
minutes.
stop screaming at that point. 9 minutes of screaming.
Even though he's falling so slowly to start, he will accelerate to
Okay.
129 kilometers per hour by the time he hits the
okay.
bottom.
80 miles per hour. Oof. Yeah, you're dead on impact. Is he gonna survive that? Oh, okay, I was gonna say there's no way.
Meh.
Meh.
That's a lot of anticipation for one splat at the bottom of a crater.
Yeah.
Let's give this tiny little moon of Saturn a 3 out of 10.
Okay. Phobos. Mars's moon. This one doesn't even look round. It looks like
Now, if you thought
oval.
Mimas was tiny, well, wait until you see our next moon, Phobos. It's only
Phobos.
22 kilometers in diameter, but
14 miles.
doesn't
oh, it's
make
small.
it any less dangerous.
Yeah, tiny things can be scary. Just think about
Yeah, we
Charlie.
learned that with the needle video.
He's up to no good still.
Phobos is actually Mars's biggest moon. Its
Oh.
other moon, Deimos, is half its size.
Oh. So small. They're
And
all like
with the small
wobbly
size
looking.
comes very weak gravity.
Gravity reading 0.1% of Earth's gravity.
they're like flying almost. Oh, I want to feel what that feels like. I know that's fun. I have dreams of that sometimes.
This is so fun!
Yeah, it looks fun.
Do we have a basketball hoop? Oh,
Right?
Man.
Can you imagine
I
just
can totally
dunking?
dunk in this gravity. I mean, I can totally normally dunk. It's just I would be able to dunk like better and stuff. Whatever. Oh my god, I have an epic idea. Rico, keep my spot warm.
This guy. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? Monster trucks? He's about to jump it, isn't he? And he took his helmet off. Never a good idea.
Oh, impact crater. Yes. Watch this.
Okay,
Rico,
let's do it.
punch it.
What is he doing?
Oh no, not again!
Wait, is he just gonna float into space? Is he gonna land?
Because the gravity is so weak here, the escape velocity is only 41 kilometers per hour. That's 25 miles per hour.
Oh no.
Chase drove too fast and, well, he escaped the gravitational pull of Phobos.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
He's not coming back down.
Oh, he's just lost in space now. Oh, that's nuts. I was not anticipating that. Uh-oh.
Oxygen
Put
levels
your
10%.
freaking helmet on.
Okay, well, at least I'll die how I lived. Fast and furiously.
This guy.
Oxygen levels 2%.
Oh, he's out. Done.
Yeah, speaking of dying, Phobos is just as doomed as Chase. This moon is orbiting ever so slightly closer to Mars. It's slow crashing into the red planet
gonna
at a speed of
crash.
2 centimeters a year. If you visited Phobos some 50 million years from now, you'd see it slowly break apart.
Oh, shoot. Chase is all old.
Yeah, Phobos just reached Mars's Roche limit. That's the point in the orbit where Phobos is so close that the gravity of Mars would tear it apart.
Oh, sandwich. Not his cane.
Well, Phobos was fun. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's fun, but still a little deadly.
Yes, of course, always. Triton, Neptune's moon. Atmosphere is nitrogen and
Triton,
methane.
the coldest place in our entire solar system.
Oh,
This
no
moon
way.
receives
Coldest place.
900 times less sunlight than Earth. And
Okay.
any light that it does receive is reflected right back off its icy surface.
Okay.
This is no place to get warm and cozy.
You're just
Rico.
gonna freeze to death right away?
Temperature?
Minus 232.35
Negative
degrees Celsius.
386 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's not that bad.
It's so cold that I'm not even sure we've equipped Chase with a suit strong enough to bear it. Triton's atmosphere is almost completely nitrogen, which has a freezing point of minus 210 degrees Celsius.
Goodness
At
gracious.
these temperatures, even the nitrogen in Triton's thin atmosphere can start freezing onto any surface, like your face.
Okay, so you just freeze to death as soon as you step out. Oh,
Chase?
Chase is off the case.
Yeah, his lungs burned from the freezing air. His blood literally froze over, and every single internal system shut down.
Frozen,
On
solid.
Triton, you'd be dead within minutes. But luckily for Chase, at this point, he's so numb that he can't really feel anything. Triton, not as fun as Phobos. It's just unbelievably freezing.
Cold.
It
Way too
has
cold.
cryovolcanoes, but you'd need to be able to survive a little bit longer to check
In a
them out.
couple minutes, yeah.
I'll give Triton a 1 out of 10. Hey, shouldn't I have a helmet on these moons? No? All right, now we're going into a stretch of Jupiter's moons. Each of these lunar bodies are incredibly distinct, so we should be seeing a pretty awesome range of deaths.
Ganymede, Jupiter's moon, liquid iron on its core. Okay.
Starting with Ganymede, the largest moon in the entire solar system. With a diameter of 5,270 kilometers,
Oh,
this moon is even bigger than Mercury. And
Wow.
not only is it
It's
huge,
bigger than a
but
planet.
it has a core of metallic iron, making it the only known moon to have its own magnetosphere.
oh wow.
And because its magnetosphere is constantly interacting with Jupiter's, the moon has intense auroras, just like Earth.
I've never seen anything like
Like
this.
the aurora
except that time
borealis.
on Neptune when I saw something that was exactly like this. Guys, I was just in Neptune's planetary fireworks. My life is awesome. Except
Aw.
Neptune's auroras beat Ganymede's auroras hands down. These are pretty awful,
I want
actually.
to see. What's happening?
Warning. Electromagnetic disruption detected.
Here's the thing. Jupiter is enormous, but it's not the largest object in our solar system. Its magnetosphere is. Jupiter's magnetosphere is so intense and so gigantic that Ganymede is actually orbiting inside of it.
Oh, dang.
Because Ganymede has its own magnetosphere, the interactions between the two fields can be extremely destructive. But that's not even the biggest problem. Jupiter's magnetosphere is filled with lethal radiation. So, orbiting near Jupiter is like floating next to the exposed core of a nuclear reactor.
Oh my
And
goodness.
Chase's suit is, well, electronically delicate.
Not a good combination,
Life support
dude.
systems failing. Decompressing.
That fast of a decompression means all the oxygen in Chase's body just exploded out of his lungs and formed bubbles in his
my
bloodstream,
God.
pretty much boiling his blood and causing instant death.
Yeah.
At least the last thing he saw this time was really, truly beautiful. I'll give this moon 7 out of 10.
That was
What, you can't
intense.
see the auroras from Ganymede? Oh well, that's a bummer. It turns out
That's why we
auroras
didn't
on
see
this
him.
moon are not like auroras on Earth. You can't see them with your naked eye, only with space telescopes that read ultraviolet light.
Okay.
So
I'm like, that's why
let's
they
make that a
didn't
1
show
out of
us.
10 for Ganymede. Callisto. This is the most
Callisto.
cratered surface
Impact
in the entire
crater.
solar system. It stands out because there's almost no geological activity on this moon. Unlike many other moons and planets where volcanic eruptions, shifting tectonic plates, or other forces reshape the surface over time, Callisto's crust has remained largely unchanged for billions of years.
So how is this so cratered?
Yeah, it's kind of like Vegas. What happens on Callisto stays on Callisto. We should open a space casino. So fitting.
Peter has filed this as bad ideas, comma, Chase.
Bad ideas? Listen to this one, Peter. Raw sewage in a can. People are gonna eat that up. Not literally, hopefully.
Ugh.
Anyways,
What's he talking about?
Callisto is constantly pummeled with asteroids, and with
Okay.
barely any atmosphere, there's nothing to stop even tiny space rocks from causing major damage.
Okay, that makes sense.
I hate when planets and moons don't have an atmosphere. It's always so
Oh. A teeny
Without an
tiny
atmosphere,
little rock.
that meteorite can hit you at a speed of 50,000 kilometers per hour.
31,000
Faster and more
miles
fatal than a
per
bullet.
hour.
And with the damage to your spacesuit, your entire body would rupture from the pressure change and then instantly freeze in this minus 140 degrees Celsius temperature.
Okay, that
Not a pretty
was
sight. I expected
horrible.
more of Callisto. I'll rate this moon a 2 out of 10.
Okay.
Talk about ugly sights. We finally arrived at Io. This is a true hellscape of toxic
Io.
gas,
Is that lava?
volcanic eruptions all around, and lakes of molten lava.
Io.
Wait, that was Callisto? I've been there before. Why didn't you say something, Rico? No more Jupiter. I want to go see Pluto next. Listen, if you sickos really want to see me get all up in Jupiter's other moons like Io and Europa, then go check out the video I already did.
Oh, we're
I'm
gonna
not
go
doing all
watch
this
that.
again, Peter. Next moon.
This guy. Sharon.
All right, so this moon was actually my request. Karen is the biggest moon of Pluto. And fun fact, she wants a word with the manager. Pluto is small, so obviously all of its moons are pretty small. Which means weak gravity. I'm so bringing out the rover for this one.
Ooh. We're driving off that? And... Okay, I thought we were gonna leave again.
Woo! Oh, finally.
He's having too much fun.
Escape velocity here is 2,100 kilometers an hour. So, yeah. Chase is not getting lost in space this time.
That's good. I thought he was gonna fly right off again.
I love this moon! Oh man, gravity's so weak to make my jumps epic, but not so weak as I'll fly away. Oh man, I think I'm gonna move here. Wonder if there's any condos for sale.
Karen is marked with these mountains and canyons, all the features that suggest unstable geological activity. And that's because once Karen was active, geologically. Billions of years ago, Karen's internal heat was cracking its icy crust, forming massive tectonic rifts and even fueling cryovolcanic eruptions.
Okay, there was a lot going on.
That era is long gone. With no tidal heating from Pluto, Karen cooled down and became a frozen, quiet world.
Oh, wow.
We'll no longer need to see the manager.
I'm just gonna take a
I get what they're saying
maybe take
now.
my rover out for one more rip, do a couple
That
donuts in
went
the parking
way
lot.
over my head
and, good to
earlier
go.
when they said that.
Yeah, okay. I'm good, let's go.
Anything happening here? Seems pretty chill. What's he doing? Uh-oh.
Rico, can you, put it in reverse or something? Rico?
What is that?
Oh, boy. Oh, no. Oh, boy.
Is that... It's not ice, is it? What is that? He looks sad. He's like, dang it. What is that? Frozen what?
I think we should spend more time on Karen. What do you think? I'll give it a 6 out of 10 for now, but I'm sure Chase will be back.
I want to
One
know
day.
what that was. Oh, we're on our moon
The
now.
moon. Finally, something close to home.
Yay.
Even though you see Earth's moon every night, it doesn't make it a safe place to visit.
Okay.
Hey, you guys! That's you guys over there!
It is.
If I throw this hard enough, I bet you I could hit you, Peter. You can't stay inside forever.
Oh, what just
Is that
happened?
bad?
Yeah, those measly rocks will
Oh,
burn
look
up
at
in
it.
the atmosphere and I'll be fine. Chase, on the other hand, not
What just
fine.
happened to him? He just shattered his
The
helmet.
moon is exposed to constant micrometeorite impacts and intense solar wind.
Oh.
That means that moon dust is electrostatically charged and very, very small. So small
Oh, is
that
he breathing
its
it in?
particles can enter straight through that crack in Chase's helmet. into his airways and right into his bloodstream.
Oh, he's coughing up blood.
Chase is basically inhaling tiny shards of glass that
Oh
are
my
ripping their way
God.
through his lungs. With all that internal
Why
bleeding,
are you so
he'll be
happy?
drowning in his own blood very soon.
No.
Oh, God. Oh, I should have thrown the rock when I had the chance.
Oh my gosh. Horrible. He's all wheezing. Ugh. I don't like it. R.I.P. Chase. Chase dies in space.
Okay,
Dang.
Earth's moon is pretty awesome. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. What? It's an important moon.
It is the most
Look,
important.
we may have covered some of the most violent moons in the solar system, but space is vast, and it has many moons and planets outside of our neighborhood. Where should we send Chase next? Well, how about some of the most deadly exoplanets out there? Well, that's a story for another What If.
That was an epic video. I think our moon, Earth's moon, was probably one of the worst ways to go. Besides freezing to death instantly, breathing in little glass shards and bleeding out, like that seems horrible. Make sure to go show What If some love. And if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.